Catching a serious infection is not top of mind as families enjoy a day in the park, but public health officials here are now warning people about a whooping cough outbreak.
Things like that spread so quickly between kids, and it's really stressful.
Officials say a case of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, was identified at the high school earlier this month, and now 15 people are infected.
I always say about whooping cough, I would not wish it on my worst enemy. I've seen it up close and personal in my family, and it is terrible.
The infection, sometimes called the 100-day cough, and can cause serious illness in young children and babies.
It's really wonderful that we have a great health system and they can get vaccinated for everything.
Health officials say 99% of seniors at Brookline High are vaccinated, but doctors say even high vaccination rates do not necessarily prevent outbreaks.
Like many vaccines are, they are usually really good at preventing severe disease, but don't always prevent infections.
Doctors say vaccines for pregnant women, children, and 10-year boosters for everyone are the best bet to prevent infection. And the warmer weather doesn't necessarily mean that we're out of the woods.
People are still doing a lot of things indoors here in New England where we have plenty of rainy days. So, I'm not going to predict that this is the end of the outbreak, but it may help.
Now, doctors do say that whooping cough does spread very easily, but health officials say that the risk of public infection is quite low. We're live in Brookline tonight. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.